What's up, YouTube? Today we are making a wig. What we're doing is starting off by laying the closure down, sewing it down to the base of the actual wig cap. Using the foam head, disregard the head. I know it look a little rough. It's been through some trials and tribulations. It's okay. We working with it. It's gonna be even worse when I get done. Okay. So laying it down, sewing it down, making sure that it's secure so that when they put it on, it don't just all fall apart. That's the important part, making sure that the hair doesn't come off and making sure you sew it. If you've ever done a sewing, it basically goes the same way. So that you know how you put each individual track in, it goes about the same way. I had to speed it up because, like I said, I don't know if I said it, but I am working while doing this. If you can see the sign on the back wall, it says 911 dispatcher, that's what I do. Excuse me. Thought a little parts, I had to get a drink, if you can hear that. Disregard. But, actually did a tutorial on the twist that I put in my hair while I was working. And I'm going to tell you, I have a sore thumb, and I think it's for pushing out needles. Maybe I need to get a thimble or whatever the thing is called. But for some reason, I feel like it may be from that because in like 24 hours, I made 2 wigs. Maybe a little over 24 hours, I had made 2 wigs. And I had to get done before school started back last week. So I had to kind of rush through it. And we're coming to usually you use wig pins to hold everything in place. The little T-pins, I didn't have any because I have brought everything to work. Even the mannequin head is of mine. I had to use that from somebody else. And I know Woody Bar just run the wig head at 2 o'clock in the morning. Long story short, thank you, Mr. Officer. Just showing you close up what it looked like to be anchored down. And I use like crepe paper and tape that I got for a penny at Dollar General. Because sometimes I like to go penny shopping. Sometimes I can find it, sometimes I can't. I be proud of myself when I can find a penny item. Hi! My coworker speeding through the bed. I know she's probably wondering what the hell is she doing, but whenever I do hair work, they are always so interested. There's actually like a small braid video I may put up where I let her do one braid. When I was doing box braids in my hair, I let her do one in the back, and she did an awesome job for the first time around, first go. Yay, glow. to the sewing part. This back was a 10, 12, and 14 inch, so of course I'm starting off with the 14 inch. And I'm going to start at the back, and it's just to make it a little longer. So, as the same way, you would take it down to do a quick weave or whatever you may have. This is basically do the same thing, unravel the whole bundle, and I do it one line at a time, so not to sew and just go back and forth until I get to the top and it becomes a single line. I measure it all the way out, cut it, and then make it flat. Girl, didn't even notice all that was showing. Just, there we go. Pull it down, pull it down, pull it down. There we go, girl. We're getting it together. We're getting it together. Getting tired. Coke and coffee is my thing. Here's a closer up of what we got going on. We are combing it once it's and this is where I came home to actually finish a lot of it. So, yay! I was getting there, almost done with it.